Kain? Ito pinakamasarap lahat ng luto ko. Ito pinakamasarap. Ang sarap? Hindi sabi mo kakakas.
Ang sarap nito, no? Oo, tingnan yung pandikal na pagkakahan. Pwedeng maging napakamalinam-nam na pamilienta.
Tama! Madaling gawin kasi kahit anong topping pwedeng isama. Mura at madaling harapin ng tangkap. Lalo time!
Yan ang Showtime Pandikita. Masarap talaga yan. Bago lahat, maraming salamat kay Rafi Zamora of Food, Kimbernan, Philippines, Doc Marian Paikalayan, Land Rover Philippines, number 38, White Grill and Jupiter, Alto Optical, at First Endurance for my Where you from, sir? Melbourne, Australia. Melbourne, Australia. Are you enjoying Showtime?
Yes, it is a fantastic production. Not many shows would take such a lengthy show live, and it shows the youth and talents of